I don't have the time to immerse myself in power market data, but I don't need to. Every month, Co builds me a battery revenue briefing like this one in minutes. Hi, I'm Tighe. I'm on the commercial team at Modo Energy. I talk to the people on the front lines in the US battery industry, which means I need to stay on top of every market they work in. Before Co, keeping up with the market took me around 8 hours every month. So if you need to stay on top of the US battery market, here's how to build your own briefing. First, I open Co on the Modo Energy Terminal. Next, I scope the brief, 4-hour benchmarks across PJM, MISO, New York, and New England. Then, I ask Co to standardize the units and compare revenues year over year. Finally, Co finds out what moved and why, pulling in our latest research so I know what this month's top stories are. Co does all the manual work. It collects the data, cleans it, and services what moved in each market. What took 8 hours now takes minutes, and I walk into every conversation with the whole Modo Energy analyst team behind me. To build your own briefing, head to the Modo Energy Terminal and ask Co.